Hello, I'm back to introduce my spring journal that I'm going to be collaging and working in. I know I showed another journal. I can't find the things I want to glue in it. So that's why you haven't seen that. But I wanted to show you the one for spring. When I find all that, again, we'll glue in that again and work in that one again, and junk journal on that one again. But for now, this is my spring one. This is up on my channel where I do a flip through, a thorough flip through. I'm going to remove some of the pages that I don't think I want to, because it's kind of thick, because I didn't, this is a altar book. It's a little thick, and when you start gluing down and things of that, it's going to become even thicker. So I'm going to remove some things from it. So you're like, well, isn't it sewn in? No, all my journals are no sew, because I like it to be interactive, where I could, I can move things around or I can remove them. And I'm going to show you how I did that. It's not a new concept. Again, this is all on YouTube. This is nothing new. I've even seen it in a book that about altar books. If you want 4 signatures, you go around 3 times. If you want 3 signatures, you go around 2. So you hold it, and 1 and 2. You want enough, because you're going to tie it. Nice string tie method. Hope I have enough. Take the bottom, you lift up your string, go through the bottom, hold up your top, and then you tie it off, and you'll begin to know what kind of tension you want as you play around with it. And see, this is what I meant by like the Travis notebook, because you insert your paper in through here. And that's it. And I typically always just use 3 signatures. That's enough, and it fills up your journal up really nice. And then you just tie it off with a string or a knot, a bow or a knot. And you could tie dangle trinkets off if you want to. That's typically what your back will look like. You could keep it like that, or I mostly just cover mine. I always like to have mine covered, because I don't like to see the workings of it. But you could decorate it nicely with trinkets and things. And then here's the where you would put your signature. See, that's how I have mine, and it stays. I really like this method. Again, probably not to take out, but to put in. If you want to add things inside of your journal, this is a good method where you could do it. Or if you say, oh, I don't like that, or it's too fat, or I don't like the positioning of, of your paper and things like that, you can just change it. Take it out, put it back in. It's really easy to do. Yep. So hopefully this found. Now we're going to play. Did that a couple of million times. We're going to play now. So I have what I want to start off with, the cut with, and now I'm going to cut with glue. And my favorite glue stick. Of course, you're going to waste time, because we're going. Now, it doesn't usually take that long to get into the blue. Okay. Yeah, I'm all discombobulated. Put that over to that side. Where's the thing where I usually and we're going to it's uneven. I don't know where I had all the little cutouts that I wanted to put in my other journal to use the glue in, and I don't know where it is. That's why you haven't seen it, because I don't know where it got off to. And I'll find it. I was trying to procrastinate long enough, but then spring came and I was like, well, it's time to get into the spring journal. Alright, now all that I just did to distress the edges. Now I'm gonna do it there. Yeah, it looks like I need a new distress. See, I missed that sale. Dragging my feet, there was a lot of snow and I didn't want. My Hobby Lobby is about an hour away. Over an hour in one way and an hour in another. So I didn't want to risk it. I'm going to use some of this that's hanging down. Okay, we'll be all day. Me trying to get this. You know I want to put. There I put. Then I saw the washi. Okay, now we're gonna do it again. I wouldn't mind turning this into a card. A little tag. Using some of my leftover twine. Use a little bit of green, whatever. Let's see. I think I just like the brown, the natural look. You know, sometimes in the camera, I'm like, yeah, you should have left it like that. It looks better on camera than down where I'm looking. Is that already? That must be already. Not that dark. Okay, I think I'm going to end there because I don't want the video to be too long. Next time, I'll do a more traditional, I'll be decorating the book, but more of a page. I'll do more of a, like an empty page, like maybe here or here. You know, I'll glue book or something like that. But, decorate, put it. It can either go this way or this way. I'll put it this way. And there we are. We decorated that page today. Or I could put it somewhere else. I could find a tuck it. Now here, even. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Thank you so very much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.